I'm finna introduce my mini-me. He finna come out right now. You know. And he finna drop this freestyle on you. Get him, boy.
I like to rap on the top and here we come. I would like to play basketball and we in the cup. I would like to play basketball and we get a score all the time. And my basketball team always get a score here. And then my daddy comes up and he likes to rap on the top. Come here.
Yo. You tell me come here, I said I'm gonna get you. We finna go dumb, you know we gonna make it do what it do, huh son? Yeah, that's how we do it, right? You know we freestyling every day, every night. Got the ball in my hand, I do what I can. He beatboxing, man, I'm the man. Cause you know it's Daddy's Day tomorrow, so we finna go dumb, tomorrow, huh, son?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We like to get a score on the basketball court.
All
and
right.
my dad got a little girlfriend too.
Don't be saying that. Cut.